Hello everybody, this is Helga and let's practice English together. This is an A2 level video and the topic is am is are, present simple and past simple. Let's practice the to be verb in present, present simple and past simple. Put the word in the right place. The first sentence, how often you go to the gym? What is the correct order? How often do you go to the gym? Number 2, where are you from? This is not correct. What's the correct? Where are you from? Number 3. What is the correct question? What is the weather like today? Yes. Next one. What is the correct sentence? When did the last train leave? Yes, correct. Next one. What is the correct version? Do you like reading books in your free time? Number 6. What is the correct question? What time did you arrive home yesterday? Number 7. What is the correct question? Why are you late for the meeting? Correct. Next one. Number 8. How many times did you visit Paris last year? Next one. Number 9. The correct question is, do you enjoy cooking at home? Number 10. What is the correct question? Does your class start at 9 a.m.? And now it's homework time. Please comment your answers below. You have 5 questions. Please complete them and comment below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you later.